Aina, today I want to ask something real. What should I say if I am late for a job interview?
That's a very common problem. And very important too.
Yes, because sometimes traffic happens, or maybe we wake up late.
Exactly. And in that moment, people panic and don't know what to say.
Yes, that's exactly what happens to me.
So the first sentence is, I'm running late. Repeat after me.
I'm running late.
One more time.
I'm running late.
Example, I'm running late because of traffic.
Oh, okay, that sounds natural.
Now, second sentence, I apologize for the delay.
I apologize for the delay.
This shows respect.
I think this sentence is useful in many situations.
Yes, not only for interviews, but also for meetings. Next sentence, I will reach in 10 minutes.
I will reach in 10 minutes.
Say it with confidence.
I will reach in 10 minutes.
One more sentence, thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your patience. I think before this, I would just stay silent because I didn't know what to say.
And that's the problem. Silence creates a bad impression. So remember, inform early, speak politely, be confident.
Yes, that makes sense.
Let's repeat all sentences. I'm running late. I apologize for the delay. I will reach in 10 minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Yes, very useful.
If you want to speak English in real life,
Practice with us every day.
like, subscribe, and
follow
follow
for
for
more.
more.